Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and drivers so you know what you're fixing. Open Device Manager or the vendor utility and confirm GPU model, driver version, and Vram size. Then, run a GPU memory test and capture logs so you can compare results. Once done, record temperatures and symptom patterns. This helps you rule thermal issues versus memory failure. Make sure to create a restore point and note any recent driver updates before you change settings or flash firmware. You now perform corrective actions that are low risk but effective. First, use the in safe mode to remove drivers, then install a stable driver. Test results after each step. Next, power down and reset the card, swap PCIe slots and cables because loose connections mimic Vram issues. If artifacts persist, apply the GPU vendor firmware update only from the official source and reboot. Once done, run the memory test again to see if errors decreased, and make sure temperatures stayed within spec. You reach the final recovery options when standard fixes fail. Try a modest memory underclock and reduced voltage using vendor tools. This often stabilizes marginal Vram cells. If problems persist, persistent errors, visual corruption, or Windows memory faults, collect your logs and pursue RMA or specialist repair because permanent Vram damage needs board-level service. Once done, preserve tested config backups and report error counts to support. If you get a replacement, use your documented steps to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.